One of the fun things about the psychology program here at Oklahoma Wesleyan is we have a lot of fun. We get to examine human behavior. We get to look at the why we do what we do. And it is so much fun to watch students look at their own strengths and watch students examine their own thought processes. One of the beautiful things about Oklahoma Wesleyan is that we have a small enough campus that we get to interact not only with students in the classroom, but we get to interact with them oftentimes in our own homes. I know in the psychology department we do cookie decorating around Christmas time, and it is so much fun to be able to all be together and to see what the students are going to talk about as we are engaged in a fun activity, just enjoying each other. I had a student, and I loved this student. She was amazing. And she was a senior, and she came to me. She stayed after class, and she said, "I want to ask you a question." And I said, "Okay, let's talk." And she said, "Do you think I have what it takes to go to grad school? Because I don't know if I do." And we sat down and went through her options. And it was the sweetest thing for her to realize that not only did she have what it was going to take, but she had a whole university that supported her. We wrote recommendation letters for her. She's now gone through grad school, and she's now a practicing counselor. And it is the most rewarding thing to see one of our students that just didn't quite know, did they have what it takes. It is a beautiful thing to be a part of somebody's formation and to know that they're going to launch, they're going to leave here and have a legacy, and we had just a little imprint of that. That when we teach psychology, when we're teaching human behavior, we come from a creationism viewpoint, that we integrate these concepts. It is the road to Athens intersecting with the road to Jerusalem. And so they do not have to worry about losing that footing and being confused. I love that we get to teach from a truth standpoint. Hi, I'm Professor Epperson, and I prepare students to be counselors.